Girl, come one step closer and I'll drop her.
Help me! We just want the girl.
And also for you to stop your plan to poison the water supply to the whole city.
Yes, what he said, but mainly me.
Never! That's just the start. Next I will set off my sonic ray that will destroy the minds of all the dolphins, turning them insane with rage. And then my pièce de résistance, the puppy bomb.
You're out of your mind.
That's why they call him Dr. Psychosis.
Ah, right, I just got that. Holy crap, what's that?
Oh, God, it's Captain Reasonable.
Hi, guys. I've been picking up a lot of emotional conflict in this area.
Don't try to stop me, Reasonable. There's nothing you can do.
He's going to kill her. Seriously, help me.
It's okay, Sergeant. I'm here. Now, does anyone want a herbal tea?
I wouldn't mind one.
I'm standing right here.
Right.
And you, Doctor? I'll take that as a no. Now, Doctor, what have I said to you about channeling your aggression?
I'm a supervillain. Channeling my aggression is sort of my thing.
Fully understood. But, you know, is this really the best way to get what you want? Do you think maybe we should just all sit down together, maybe over a fondue, and talk this thing out? I'm waiting. Look, you're well within your rights to carry on like this, but I hope it isn't too much to ask you to just pause for a while and think about the full repercussions of what you're doing, because, I know it's sometimes difficult to take a step back and really appreciate things from somebody else's point of view. Oh, by the way, there's a policeman sneaking up behind you.
Really? Oh, yeah.
Oh, no!
What did you do that for?
Got to play fair. Now, where was I? Oh, yes. Now, would it be fair to say, and I'm not judging them, this all probably goes back to your parents?
Listen, Captain Reasonable, I've not exactly got time to listen to this. I've got a city to poison. Maybe some other time.
Right, yeah, sorry about that. Well, shall I just get in touch with your PA, pencil in a meeting?
Sure, why not?
Okay.
Oh, and if you can do anything with this...
Now, I hope that's the last innocent person you're going to throw to their deaths.
Maybe it will be, Captain. Maybe it will be.
Well, that's good enough for me. Another victory for sensible thinking.